Hey guys, here's a 48-inch Hampton Bay Tripoli ceiling fan. This fan is in the white and brushed nickel finish, and this one is from August of 2004. I believe that makes it one of the later ones, if I'm not mistaken. Oddly enough, these ones, although a lot of Hampton Bay fans of the early 2000s were childhood fans for me, this one really isn't. I mean, I really don't remember seeing this one at all in the catalogs. I don't remember seeing it in the stores or anywhere else. It was really only when I started getting into collecting a lot of fans that I realized this existed. So, of course, I thought it was a really cool design. Not particularly my taste. I think it is kind of ugly, but it is cool to have one, so I had to pick one up. I got this one off of Facebook Marketplace, I think. Might have been Craigslist, I'm not too sure. I got it a while back. Has reversible white and pine blades. I do have the white side showing. And yes, I am aware that the blades are upside down. There is a decorative cover, I guess you can call it, that makes the edges of the blades have a brushed nickel accent. So that is on the top, which I will show you after the demonstration. Has a really weird canopy as well. I didn't think this could be mounted on an angled ceiling, but it can. Granted, this is not a big angled ceiling, but it still works. Has a single strawberry style light kit, which unfortunately does not fit a regular light bulb. I've tried to put many bulbs in there, and the only one that fits is an appliance bulb, which I also assume that that's what it would have came with from the factory, because Hampton Bay did sell their fans with bulbs most of the time. Here's a light. That works good. Dim it for you if you want. There we go. And here's low. I believe this model also came in bronze as well. Yeah. It's a very quiet fan, I do give it that. I can't hear it at all, so. And it's, what, 19, 20 years old, and it's still running to this day, so. Did hold the test of time. Has a nice aesthetic to it too. Doesn't go too fast on low speed, which I do like. And it is moving a good amount of air. Despite it being a newer spinner motor Hampton Bay fan, that some might call it, it is throwing out a nice breeze, so I do like it. It also came mainly complete. The only things that were missing were the pole chain extensions and the original light bulb. But otherwise, it is all there. It's medium. I also just installed this today for testing. I thought this could be a permanent install, but looking at it now, it does hang too low, and I'm not really a big fan of how it looks. Again, it is kind of an ugly fan. If I was a regular home buyer, I probably would not pick this fan out for my house, but the only reason why I got it was because it was cool, and I think these are kind of neat fans for the time. Turn the light on, see what it looks like light on. Also makes a weird sound when it spins, which I will show you in a minute. Actually, switch off. Almost sounds like a palm leaf fan would. Does have a wobble too as well, but it does have the Hampton Bay Cameron characteristics, such as the reverse switch and the pull chain nuts. It's very reminiscent of the Cameron. Stop it from here. Here's the top of the blades, and there's that cover that I was talking about. Kind of just a metal trim, and it screws on from the bottom right there. There's the top. There's the tags here. Oh, I'm sorry, this one's from July 2005. I didn't realize that. There's the yaw tags there, and it says 04. So, correction, it is from July 2005, which I think was actually the very last year this was made. But anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.